Yes, be ready. Start. The second consideration, which may be referred to, is that in subsection under bracket 4 of section 74 of the Excise Act, though it is provided that for the purposes of section 190 of the Criminal Procedure Code, the report submitted by the excise officer shall be deemed to be a police report. Section 190 of the Code, as it stands at present, no longer uses the term police report, but the term was altered in 1923 into report in writing of such facts made by any police officer. Stop. In the Excise Act, the wording was not amended at the same time, and the old wording which occurred in section 190 within bracket 1 within bracket small b of the code before the amendment of 1923 still persists. Stop. Since section 190 of the code does not now contain the term police report, that term as used in subsection within bracket 4 of section 74 of the Excise Act can no longer be taken to mean a police report in the technical sense as interpreted in Prem Chand Khatri case, but can only be regarded as equivalent to a report in writing of the facts made by any police officer as used in amended section 190 within bracket 1 within bracket b of the code. Stop. New para. Thirdly, even if we were to concede the argument of Mr. Dutt that the term police report as used in subsection within bracket 4 of section 74 must be taken in the technical sense as interpreted in Prem Chand Khatri case, the fact that an excise officer submits such a police report for the purposes of taking cognizance by a magistrate does not import all the provisions of section 173. Stop. The report of the police officer is referred to in section 173 within bracket 1 of the code. Stop. Subsection within bracket 4 of section 173 of the code provides that after forwarding such report, the officer in charge has the duty of furnishing copies of the necessary documents to the accused. Stop. If the term police report as used in subsection within bracket 4 of section 74 in the Excise Act is taken in the technical sense, then we may say that a report submitted by an excise officer corresponds to a report submitted by an officer in charge of a police station under section 173 within bracket 1 of the code, but there is nothing in section 74 of the Excise Act from which it may be held that the provisions of subsection within bracket 4 of section 173 are also attracted. Stop. As all